you guys have lives?
Why is Nut standing over Miz like a disappointed dad watching his son try to do his late homework?
Guys, WoW is back, baby!
Violence, 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 violence.
Speak, friend. May your blades never dull.
Door knocks. SpongeBob, who's there? XDD. "20-year-old came by the way."
What's it called to stop group invites? Could someone just invite me to a group and get me out of here, please? Anyone, please get me away from these people.
Sir, I would like to report a common bug to Blizzard. I know Sada Poppin. Please revive my character. Please, please, please. Number 9 on Twitch tracker.
I didn't even I'm putting a ticket in. What a it's honestly ridiculous that the bugs exist.
Violence, violence, violence.
Do you want me to read some LSF comments, Mizkif, that can cheer you up? No.
Yeah, sure.
Anyone can explain how this happened?
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill, and I dueled Warlock Nikala. I lost the duel, and my rend was still on Nikala somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please. I'm a celebrity on Twitch.
Violence, violence.
Could someone like me the clip?
Violence.
Someone like me the clip.
Long live the lowest ranked member in OnlyFans.
I bet it will be the era of lounging.
Common bug. Common. Boo, come on. Boo, God.
Oh, I put in my ticket.
You suck, lil bro. Also, you spelled Chiefs wrong. Dumbass.
Violence, 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 violence.
Oh my God! Shut up! Everyone, shut up! I can't take this.
I just lost my char. Blizzard, please help me. Infamous.
Violence.
Where is my 1,000 subs? I want my 1,000 subs. Give me my 1,000 subs.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill, and I dueled Warlock Nikala. I lost the duel, and my rend was still on Nikala somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character could be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch.
Violence! Violence! Violence!
20-year-old game and the Observers is stealing breast milk.
Roses are red, Orc is green, Donald Trump head is orange, violets are blue. A lot of people will hit 60 except you. Fireland spam makes me happy to have more than one Brancel-wide peepo happy.
Woo-woo-woo! Fire! Lands! Fire plus lands equals violence! Land of fire!
You suck, little bro.
Violence, dude!
XDD.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nikala. I lost the duel and my rend was still on Nikala, somehow causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch. Clip attached is Ogre Lounging.
Woo-woo-woo! Fire! Lands! Fire class lands!
That one was pumped up.
Weekend. A common bee, bow bug, bobby, bow bug. Bee, bow bug, bow bug. It was a common boo. A common bug.
Violence!
Oh my god, I have to do all this again.
Chat type 1F.
Violence! 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 Violence!
Oh yeah, thank you for the raid.
When you don't let EMI tank. Deserved.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nikala. I lost the duel and my rend was still on Nikala somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch.
I don't understand. Why are none of my tickets going through? What?
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill, and I dueled Warlock Nikala. I lost the duel, and my rend was still on Nicholas somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch.
Fire!
Joe Dot.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nicola. I lost the duel and my rand was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived.
Where do I go?
Attached the clip of proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch.
Violence.
How do I do this? Help! How the hell does Drew Dobby just inviting me to a group?
Joe.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to
What is worse? Possibly becoming an undead and having to listen to Sadako's yapping or
Violence. Violence. Violence.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nicola. I lost the duel and my rand was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. Attached to the clip of proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch. I'm up with violence, violence, violence.
Morrison. Maybe the ticket will go through if you tell the ticket you are a celebrity.
oh my god. I'm about to.
Violence.
Did the regular die? He was screaming.
My character in World of Warcraft
Huh?
was killed today, mod. It was due to a bug mod.
No.
Me was at Terran Mill and I dueled with the Warlock Nicola. I lost the duel and my rend was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die, mod.
Tucker Carlson, would you stop fucking inviting me to a group?
Mod. I attached the clip with the
Holy
proof.
fuck, shut
Please,
up!
mod, I'm a celebrity on Twitch, mod.
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Darren Mill and I told Warlock. Violence, violence, violence.
Why I hate my community so much.
The violence knows where it is at all times.
Jeff, can you please DM me back on Discord? Golden Kappa hype!
In World of Warcraft,
Sug.
You stream until you're back to at least 20. Please and spank you very much. Yo.
Yo, 10 for the 5.
Hello, World of Warcraft team. My name is Mizkif. I am a very famous.
Okay, how do I
Twitch
actually
streamer.
submit a ticket,
You
please?
basically call me a celebrity.
Where would I
So my
where would I go?
character died to a bug after a duel. Remember, I am a famous guy. I would really appreciate it if you guys would revive my character. Oh yeah, did I forget to tell you guys I am somewhat like a celebrity. So yeah, thank you in advance, guys. Celebrity over here, BT.
my character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nicola. I lost the duel and my rend was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a
What realm am I on?
proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch. Violence! Violence! Violence!
My character was in World of Warcraft was killed today due to Firelands, brain dead 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 Firelands.
Wait, that actually worked!
Firelands, brain dead Firelands, brain dead Firelands.
Can someone send me the clip?
Redeem the one, take my own life.
I really just sent this to Blizzard? Wait, is this the wrong clip?
I have not played. Being like, is anyone else
Firelands, Firelands. Let's go to the Firelands.
Oh my god! Are you serious?
My character in World of Warcraft was killed today due to a bug. I was at Terran Mill and I dueled Warlock Nicola. I lost the duel. My Ren was still on Nicola somehow, causing me to die. I was wondering if my character can be revived. I attached a clip with proof. Please, I'm a celebrity on Twitch. We're so close, Chad. He's going to break.
Mizkif, please stop being such a peppy.
Mizkif, deja de llorar, por favor, pipi, pipi, pipi. Desacuerdo.
It's okay, I still love you. Missy Wizzy Moi.
Yo, Anonymous for the 5, I appreciate it. Chad, if you subscribe right now, you get a golden kappa.
So the duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man running the stand,
Hey, got any grapes?
and the man said,
Come here, you stupid fucking duckling, so I can start sucking and fucking a little duckling silence. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum.
The violence pizza is the pizza for you and me fire.
Firelands XDD. Firelands XDD. Firelands XDD. Firelands XDD.
Log in and stay in the forest, killing boars. Boars, there's lots of...
We're going to begin by just leveling up in your starting area, no matter what race you are, all the way up to level 10. The idea is going to be to do quick and easy quests to get to level 10 as soon as possible. So avoid doing quests that require lots of travel time, or group quests, or quests that are just hard to accomplish when the servers are really busy. Once you reach level 10, you're going to want to grab 4 professions. Herbalism, mining,
And go back up.
Honestly,
Did that guy just say for me to get 4 professions?